cheese?
Cheese? Is it cheese?
No.
Open them up. Feed him. Pizza. No, it's another can of beans. Okay, Bobby, eat up. Here you go, Bobby. 1,
Yeah.
2.
Three.
Yum, yum, yum. Oh! Why is he burping so much? Oh, he's not. Nope! He's so nasty. Come on, Bobby.
Keeva's family. Hi everybody! Today we're gonna open a present!
That one? Oh, wonderful. Let's open it.
Oh my gosh, it's so big! Why is it a big hippo?
Oh, he has a name. His name is Bobby.
Bobby?
That's right. This game is called Burping Bobby. Keeva, what do you see on the box?
Big hippo!
And what is that big hippo doing?
He's burping.
That's right, it's called Burping Bobby. You love burping our faces. It's like a gross game. This game is for 2 to 4 players. It is for age 4 plus, so pretty standard. Let's open it.
I can see Hippie.
That's Bobby.
And I can see Bobby.
Can you see Bobby in there?
Bobby.
Ah, Bobby the blue hippo. Oh, he's not gonna be that cute when he burps in your face.
So this was the second one. It was a soda.
Burp. Nom, 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 nom. Ah, I'm gonna eat your nose. Nom, nom. Yeah. Yummy. Let's see what else is in the box. Ah, tokens. They pop out. Yes, just like that. So the back all looks the same. And then the front has a food and a number. They all look the same from the side. That one says 3 and it's got a cola on it. This one's got garlic. That one looks like a can of beans. You do need 3 AAA batteries, which are not included, which Keeva's daddy's gonna do right now.
This is like a lollipop.
Oh, it does look like a lollipop. We got to fill our Bobby with water. Where do you think we can fill it? Nope. Guess again.
Here.
In the bum? Nope. Guess again. Not in the mouth, not in the bum. We fill it right here. Here it comes off. Yep. Gotta squeeze the ball. Squeeze and see water goes out.
I don't want it to burp right now because the game hasn't started yet.
Okay, Keeva, that's enough. That's enough. See, your pipette's empty. Your lollipop is empty now. Oh, Kyler, you're gonna put the ear back? Push! Beautiful. So let me explain how to play this game. Everybody's gonna take turns picking 1 token from here, and it's going to have different food. Before you pick up a token, you have to take a guess at what food it is, and there are 6 types of food in total. So it could either be onions or garlic, pizza, cheese, or a can of beans. And if you get it right, then you get to keep this token, and this number on top becomes your score. If you get it wrong, then you have to feed your token to your hippo and crank how many numbers of full rotations it says on your token. Do you want to start? Okay. I'm just gonna mix it up so Keeva don't cheat. Pick a token.
Cheese?
Cheese? Flip it over. Is it cheese?
No.
It was a can of beans. Okay, so now open them up. Feed them. Whoop. Now let's do 2 full rotations. That's Mommy's turn. I think this one is pizza. Did I get it? No, it's another can of beans. Okay, Bobby, eat up. 3 cranks. 1, 2, 3. Cheese? Oh, okay, so that's yours then. You got 3 points. Okay, your turn.
Is this pizza?
Pizza? Let's see. It is pizza!
Yay!
So what does it say on top? Wait, keep that. That's your score. Now it's Mommy's turn. Is this cheese?
No.
No? Oh, I got it wrong. Oh, it's cola. Pop them open. Here you go, Bobby. 1,
Yeah.
2. What do you think it is? Do you think it's soda or cheese?
Soda.
Garlic? Oh, it was a can of beans. It says 1. That means you gotta put it inside Bobby's mouth and crank 1 full rotation. 1. Oh! You got burped at. He burped at you. So to reset the game, we need to take all of our tokens out. It comes out in his bum. Oh. It does get stuck inside. Just gotta wriggle it. We're gonna start again. Who wants to go first?
Me.
Pick a token. What do you think it is?
Me.
Peas? We don't have peas. So that one says 1. You're going to put it in the hippo. Yum, yum, yum. And crank 1 circle. Would you like to go again, Kyler? That's a pizza. It is pepperoni pizza.
Mommy.
Right, it is your turn.
I think this is cheese.
Cheese? Flip it over. Cheese. So you get to keep it. I am going to pick soda. Yes, soda. So I got 1 point. And now it's Kyler's turn. What do you think it is?
Mushroom.
We don't have mushroom, Kyler. We don't have mushroom. Let's put it in. Okay, 1 crank. I think this will be a can of beans. Nope, it's not. So I got to put it in. What do you think it is? Okay, so Kyler really wants to crank.
Is it the can of beans?
Oh, it's onion. So let's put it in. And 2 cranks. 1. Oh! Burp. Oh! Why is he burping so much? Nope. Like okay.
He's gonna start burping now.
He's so nasty. Yeah, he ate too much junky food. Once he starts, he just can't stop. Wah! Another burp. Kyler's really enjoying this burp. I don't think that was the point of this game, but I'm glad you like it. It's a burping device and it's also a humidifier. Look, he burps so much, there's actually saliva in his mouth. Here, let's crank him again until he burps. Put your finger in there. Does it hurt? Does it hurt? It's really misty. It's so cool. Come on, Bobby. Okay, so Bobby burped. That means it is the end of the game. We're all going to count our tokens. So Mommy has 1 token. That means Mommy has 1 point. How many points do you have?
7.
That's right. So Keeva's got 7 points, and Kyler, I'm not really sure if he's still part of this game, but he does have a point in front of him, and it does say 2. So Keeva's the winner. Yay! Good job. So as a special trophy for winning this game, Keeva, you're going to get a special prize. So you're going to spin this knob, spin, 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 until something drops out. Oh! Whoa! That's your prize. Whoa! Why did she get 2? I think one's for Kyler.
Do you want this one?
So Keeva wants to see which character she got. Take a guess. Which one do you think it is, Keeva?
This one.
I think it's this one. Which one is it? Oh, it's so round. It's a little squeeze ball. Squeeze it. Squeeze. It's really fun to squeeze.
Let's see what Kyle got.
Squeeze!
So soft.
Yeah, it's like memory foam. Fun to squeeze. Is it fun to squeeze? Yeah. Oh, they smell nice. What does it smell like, Kiva? Mine smells like cantaloupes.